Thank you. What we have to do is, at first we have to go to our browser. It can be our Google Chrome or your Firefox, anything else. Just go to the search bar and search for the IDM download. Then you will come to this page, official page. Then you will get the link here in the down below. Try internet download manager for free. Yes, this one, if you download from here, then you will get officially 30 days license to use this product for free. After that, they will ask for you to do registration, and of course you have to pay the $1 for it. So what we're gonna do is, first we are going to download this file, and yes, you see it's downloading. It will take 2 or 3 minutes to take download, and we have to wait for it. Okay, you see it's finished right now. So what we have to do is we have to close all the windows. Actually, you don't need to close all windows. You just can go to your browser, download history, and you can go over there just to open file location. As I know my file location, that's why I came to my location where this file was downloaded. And yes, I'm just installing it right now, as you see here. And I know everyone can do how to install anything. Yes, as you all see in this video. So you see this internet download manager has been installed to my PC, and there will be a pop-up box. You have to just close that pop-up box over here. Yes. Then what we are doing here, at first I want to say you something about the IDM. That what we're gonna do is, we are using it for free. They don't ask for any registration after 30 days. You see, they won't ask for anything. Just we have to follow a simple trick. Even those people who have already installed the IDM and their 30 days period has been over, they can also follow these types of tricks. So it can be helpful for them. So before we go for the next step, which is to make it free for the whole rest of the life, we have to just disconnect the network over here. After disconnecting the Wi-Fi or mobile hotspot, just exit from the internet download manager like this. Yes, then go to the task manager, then select the IDM from here, and then end task. That's how you have to exit from all the IDM related tasks. You see here there is a zip file. Yes, we will just extract it from here. Then we will get an extension like this. Then we will copy it. That's the main thing that we're gonna copy and paste, and we're gonna use it for lifetime. So if you want to get this file, okay, just let me know that. Then what you have to do, just take this and go to the open file location and just replace it over here. Just copy and replace it by going to the main IDM file properties, and then when you just go to the properties, then you will see this kind of interface, and just paste it over here by replacing it. Okay, see, it has been successfully completed. Here you have also seen that the registration has been completed. You see, registration has been completed. That's why it's blurred. You can also go to the help button and check out the about IDM. There you will also see about the successful completion of registration. IDM won't ask for registration or something like this after 30 days. So that's how you can do it. And also another thing is, you may think that it only works for offline. No, just connect the internet and check this out, that it works in online or not. As you see here, I'm just trying to connect my internet. Yes. Okay, then I'm just trying to get into the main file document manager. Yes. Oops, there has been a problem occurred. It's not connected yet. I'm just trying to connect again with my mobile hotspot. Yes. Okay, once again I'm just trying to get into my IDM. If you see, it's here blur. When I go to the help, then it's also the same. Okay, same. It's exactly the same as offline. You see, there is no difference. Thank you. So that's how you can check it out by using